Hey guys, so today I'm going to unboxing new and latest parcel from Althea. I was informed that there will be 2 items inside this box and we're gonna open it together. Ish, ta-da! Dun, 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 dun. Wait, let me hold it in case it falls. Ta-da! So we have 2 items inside here and a love letter. So as I mentioned before, I get 2 products here. So this one is the Stay Fresh Body Sparkling Mist by Titi, Kamal and Althea, and also the Pore Purifying Serum Cleanser. So I'm gonna do first impression also. All the instructions are in Korean, Hangul. I just learned like few basics but I forgot it already. I smell it at here. Honestly, it doesn't smell it that good on here. Maybe because of the, all the bussy out here. So new bottle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh, okay. It smells a little bit musky at first, but it's kind of dissolved into like a flowery smells. I'm not sure how to review this on my blog, but I will make sure to find a way to review it soon. And then the Pore Purifying Serum Cleanser. Oh yeah, they have like this line. So it's supposed to help with pore. I'm all into that. So basically this is like a oil cleanser, so it's gonna get rid all of your makeup and anything like that. Oh yeah, you have this. Ooh, it's quite try it here. Actually the mint doesn't like too overwhelmed at first. When I it's kind of like feel watery. Once you play with it, it's actually oil cleanser. It's very soft, it doesn't feel dense at all, and it feels like serum somehow. So yeah, that's how the name is. It's a Pore Purifying Serum Cleanser. Now I get it. So that's all my unboxing for today. So thank you so much, Althea, for sending me these 2 lovely products. I'm gonna try and review it on my blog soon, and maybe do some like a quick 1-minute video. And before I signing off, make sure to check out my latest review on Althea milk peel cream mask. That's how I pronounce milk, I don't know why. So check it out. I will put the link on the description, and see you next time.